Ano ang pinakamasakit na bagay na na-realize mo tungkol sa friendship? For me, masusukat mo yung friendship hindi kapag nasa lowest stage ka of your life. I mean, yes, they can be there for you kapag malungkot ka, kapag broken ka, pero masusukat mo talaga na real friend siya kapag successful ka, malaki na yung kinikita mo, alam mo yon parang nagiging successful na yung endeavors mo. Kung sino yung nandun na nag-cheer for you, na hindi insecure happy siya sa achievements mo, hindi siya nananahimik kung kailan kailangan mo ng support or kailangan mo ng applause. For me, dun mo makikita talaga. Kasi it's very easy na maging there for someone sa lowest stage nila. Parang, oh, alam mo yun, parang, okay lang yan. Pero and I don't mean this sa ibang tao lang kahit ako sa sarili ko, I try to practice it na kahit mas successful yung tao sa akin, mas umaangat, parang dapat kong i-manage sa sarili ko na hindi mainggit, kundi be there for the person, support the person, i-boost mo pa siya kung kailangan. Alam mo yun? Kasi andun yung totoong friendship when you're not insecure about your friend's achievements and success. On a lighter note, nakakaloka, thank you so much TNW for making this meaningful Q&A possible. So yan. I hope nakita mo yung performance ng microphone through this video as well. And kung fit ito sa needs mo, go and check the yellow basket kasi marami pa silang colors. I think they have black, white, purple, pink, this light pink, and a darker pink. So yan. Tignan mo na lang sa yellow basket.